Panelman Engineering. Panelman Engineering is a family-owned business, originally founded in 2008 with combined industry knowledge between its members with over 20 years. Our core focus is on quality and delivery on time. Situated in Rossland, South Africa, Panelman owns a 5,000 square meter production facility, a perfect trading gateway between Johannesburg and Polokwane, which in turn forms a natural extension to the rest of Africa. Buildings are constructed using insulated panels. These panels are manufactured to any length and consist of two skins permanently bonded together to fire-retardant polystyrene. Various facing materials and finishes are available with frost white as a standard. They are normally packed on pallets and can be unloaded in most situations using ordinary forklifts. Typically, these panels have a lifespan of 30 years before it needs to be repainted. Insulated panels are much more soundproof in comparison with ordinary construction and drywalling, and provides a much stronger service to mount shelves, TVs, frames, etc. Panelman's mission is to be the preferred supplier of high-quality insulated panel systems to be used in modular structures. Panelman strives to exceed its customers' expectations through quality, delivery, whilst ensuring a competitive costing. Panelman recognizes the inherent importance of its employees and forms an integral part of the operation of the business and strives for continuous improvement in all client-related activities. Panelman is therefore committed to empowering their staff with the best knowledge and workmanship in the field. Panelman is ISO certified and is a member of the Thermal Panel Manufacturers Association of South Africa.